baby. How was school?
Good.
Yeah. What do you have there?
A book
Book? Oh.
that talks about respect.
Oh, really? You want to read it to me?
I don't know if I could read it.
Why?
Just look at it.
You're so intelligent.
But I could read it. I
Hmm.
think it says so.
That book is beautiful.
I don't know how they color so good.
Look at that. Wow. Hey, where's your book?
What book?
Your book that you bought?
Oh, they're not giving it out.
Why?
They're giving it out till January.
Oh my God.
January!
Okay, baby. You gonna read
Diary
it?
of a Wimpy Kid. But in Spanish.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.